In this video, I'm going to give you the essential and must-have tools for your off-road toolkit. Here at Mad Matt 4-Wheel Drive, I'm all about educating and building the four-wheel drive community. So what's the first thing I reckon you need to have in your toolkit? Well, it's some sockets. So I have a fairly comprehensive set, and I have some 3/8 drive sockets covering the common sizes for my vehicle, as well as some 1/4 inch drive sockets, ratchets. I have some torque bits and various other bits that can be fitted in there, universal joint and some extension bars. That's all in a nice little kit there that's basically ready to grab straight out of the drawer here. Then I have a 1/2 inch drive socket set which has got my breaker bar and a ratchet and some bigger gear for those bigger nuts and bolts that I may need to undo or tighten up on the trails, like suspension arm bolts. That socket there will undo the pinion nut on my differential or tighten it up if I needed to. So that socket set's really handy. That's what I reckon you need as a basic part of your kit. Then I carry a number of different adjustable wrenches. I have 3 different sizes for all the different size nuts and bolts. But what I do is I keep that size, the middle size, it's a little 10-inch shifter. I keep that in the door pocket because that's basically a grab tool. I also keep a Phillips screwdriver in the door pocket, and I often find I'm running around the vehicle, a spotlight's loose. I can nip it up with that sort of thing. A battery terminal might be loose. I also carry a set of Allen keys because every so often some of the accessories in that have an Allen key. So a set of Allen keys suitable for your vehicle. Now when I say suitable, your vehicle may be more metric based or imperial based or have a combination of the two. So you need to have tools specific to the nuts and bolts in your vehicle. I then have a full set of screwdrivers and I have 2 hammers. A nice little baby hammer. This hammer here, I know it's a claw hammer, but that's like my camp hammer. It lives in the side of the truck just there, but I can hammer in pegs and all that and rip pegs out of the ground with it, but I can also use it to repair the vehicle. Then I have a pair of long nose pliers and a pair of side cutters, a file. This is great for shaping a bit of steel, something might have got burred or whatever. Even if you have to file a long time, at least you can deal with metal, and you can also use the corner here to clean up a thread that might be damaged. I have my socket there for spark plugs, and then I just have a regular range of spanners that suit my vehicle, and I only have the sizes that I need for my vehicle in those spanners, so there's no more spanners than I need. And last, I have an electrical tester. This is great for seeing if there's electricity getting to where it needs to get to, because if it's not getting there, that's why that thing's not working. Well, this can tell me if it's what's going wrong. Okay, so that there is a basic kit. A bare minimum would be something similar to this. Now, how you store it in your vehicle is going to depend on your vehicle. For me, I like to have my tools in kits like this. That's why I do it, but I've got the space in this drawer and I've designed my system to work that way. I also carry a toolbox which has a whole bunch of other stuff in it. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trail.